Hey everyone, this is Owen Fox here, and I just want to remind you of the beauty and the benefits of nature. Get out there, everyone, have fun, live your life, love your life, be grateful for everything, including all the losses, hardships, and challenges and breakups you've had or are going through. Don't hang on or cling to the past or the present, because the present is gone already. You can't hang on to it, you can't cling, you can't try and force things to stay or things to happen. The best way to manifest is to be grateful for what you have, to appreciate all that you have, all your blessings, to count them, count your blessings, and to be as happy as you can and high vibrational as you can by loving what you have already first, and only then will the universe really want to give you a whole lot of more stuff, because it knows you're going to appreciate that stuff too. So get out there, live your life. Life's short. Everyone and everything comes and goes. Your body will go. All your loved ones will go, and that's okay. You'll always be together in spirit and in the heart and in consciousness. But life isn't meant to be stagnant. Constant change is the only constant. And nature is a huge healer, and I highly recommend nature. It's so beautiful. I love nature so much. It's so beautiful. So get out there and swim in the rivers, the lakes, or the ocean. Love yourself. Be kind and gentle to you and everybody. Let people go if you find yourselves leaving each other's life. If you feel it's positive, healthy, and inspired, be inspired to work things out and improve things. It's possible to stay in the same relationship and both of you work and grow and learn and transform, become new people. Lots of relationships is not meant to be. It's not meant to be, and it's not possible because one or both people cannot or will not or are not ready to change right now, okay? So you have to let them go, You've heard of letting go of toxic relationships and environments. Switch to a healthy, this here is a beautiful environment for nurture, heal, learn, and grow. So are playgrounds. I love playgrounds. The energy of the children is so pure. Nature, animals, and children, so pure energy, everyone. Some humans have pure energy and they don't have too much baggage and they're free-spirited, and that's only when you've done a lot of healing and work on yourself. I'd like to feel I definitely have this positive, light-hearted, fun and playful, free-spirited, nurturing, loving energy. Also, because that's who I am, that's who we all are, everyone. It's only just a matter of getting inspired, and it's a matter of tuning into who you are, by getting your thoughts correct and getting your mind correct, and then getting your heart correct, and living from your inner child, but your divine inner adult, also your holy grail adult, the responsible dude or dudess. So everyone, have a lovely day. Get out there in nature, exercise, breathe, swim or have a salt essential oil bath, sunbathe if you can. Have a cooler or cold shower if you wish. So healthy. Practice quit porn and masturbating, or at least don't ejaculate. Or if you do ejaculate, potentially even, take your serum of life. So instead of total waste. So many life force and minerals and nutrients, enzymes and things there. It's it takes a lot of effort to make them again. But I prefer just no fap. As much as possible, I prefer not to watch porn or definitely not porn. I'm not really interested in that too much because it's usually gross and ridiculous. But yeah, just overall in general, prefer just save it for a relationship. Save my love and playfulness as much as I can. You know what I mean? But yeah, get out there. All the free stuff: massage, color therapy, music, and high vibrational things. And then I want you to be the happiest you ever can possibly be. Everyone, that's the purpose of this video. To be the happiest, loveliest, most highest vibrational and attractive and attracting and attractor. And play and have fun and laugh out loud, everyone. I know, just so nice. Move your holy body. Yeah. This is Brayhead, Ireland, everyone. This is County Wicklow, Bray in Ireland. My name is Owen Fox, the new age sage clown transformer dude at your fingertips. So yeah, if you've liked this video, please do leave me a question or a comment, if you have any, or like and share the video for your loved ones and family to enjoy and benefit from. This is a tree spirit, everyone. They're alive. They're alive. Everybody alive. So good. Don't you just love life, everybody? Isn't life so beautiful? Such a blessing. Love your parents, honour them by loving them and appreciating them, but not under their control. Anyway, enough said, everyone. You get the gist. You know me. So please do subscribe and hit the bell button for future videos on holistic healing of body, mind, spirit. All about holistic body, mind, spirit, mental, emotional, physical. I'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Breathe. Get that sun in your body, baby. Get that sun on your body and your genitals and your bum. It's so good for you. It really is.